What if I told you that your dreams of hosting a webinar could easily come true and you could build a webinar funnel in less than 15 minutes? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, thanks to the brand new AI funnel builder from Clickfunnels. With a few mouse clicks, this AI funnel builder can build you a high-converting, completely custom webinar funnel, write sales copy tailored to your offer, and generate images. In addition to that, you also get access to the perfect webinar training and script that help you create a captivating presentation and a follow-up email sequence that you can send to the people who register for your webinar. Let's be honest, it would usually take you at least a week to build a webinar funnel, write sales copy, craft the webinar presentation, write email follow-ups, and create an automation for them. But now you can do all of that in just a fraction of the time thanks to the AI funnel builder from Clickfunnels. And you can do it absolutely for free. But before I show you how to build a webinar funnel using AI, like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out our future videos. Now let's get started. First things first, click the link in the description of this video and create your free account for this AI funnel building tool. After that, you will be taken to a page like this, and you can watch the welcome video to understand more about how the webinar funnel builder works and go to the next step. Click this button to open the AI webinar builder. During the next few steps, we will need to provide some information to the AI funnel builder so it knows what we're trying to build, which colors we want to use, what kind of copy we want to write, who is our target audience, and after that it will be ready to build your webinar funnel. So first, let's select our brand color, our main or primary color. You can do it by clicking on the icon here and then selecting the color that you want to use. I will go with this blue one, and the AI funnel builder will also suggest us other colors that fit to our primary color and that we can use on the funnel. Next, we can select a style that we want to use for our funnel. I will go with the rounded style here and go to the next step. As mentioned before, this AI funnel builder from Clickfunnels will take care of everything that you will need on your webinar funnel. That also includes the images. And on this step, you may select what style of images you like most and want to have on your funnel. We will also get all the sales copy for all the funnel pages written for us by this AI funnel builder. That's why on this step, we need to provide it with some information about our offer and our audience. Alright, I entered some information about the offer that I want to sell. It's just an example. Then I am selecting the right invoice here. I will go with the friendly one. For the expertise, I will select other. And the avatar will be new moms, and their goal will be help babies to fall asleep. And now this AI funnel builder will generate a sample of the copy for us, and if you don't like it, you may tweak something like change the prompt or change the right invoice before we proceed to the next step. After that, we're ready to go ahead and actually let the AI build our funnel for us. Click Create Funnel now. What's happening now? The AI funnel builder is building our funnel on the background for us. Once the funnel is ready, you will be able to import it into your Clickfunnels 2.0 account. And if you don't have your Clickfunnels account yet, no worries, you will be able to start your free trial of Clickfunnels 2.0 and import your funnel into that account. By the way, if you use our link to create your account for this AI funnel builder and then start your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, you will receive our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. Now our funnel is ready and we can import it to our Clickfunnels 2.0 account with a click of a mouse. I click Add Funnel to my account. Then I select the workspace where I want to add this funnel. And once the funnel is installed, we will be able to customize it. Just click Customize now. As you can see, we've got the whole funnel with all the pages that we need for a webinar funnel built for us. We have a quiz page where we are going to collect the contact information and let people register for the webinar. Then we have a thank you page, a broadcast page for a webinar presentation, then an order form for the offer that we are going to promote during the webinar, and the thank you page for people who bought this offer. To customize the pages, you just click Edit, and it will open the page editor for us. I really love how great this AI funnel builder is. Look, we've got all the elements that we need for this funnel page, and on top of that, based on the little information that I provided about my offer, this AI funnel builder was able to generate quite good copy. We've got a fitting headline, a sub-headline, even the bullet points, although I didn't provide any of that information. Also, if you don't like some text and you would like to rewrite it, you don't have to do it on your own. You can also use a built-in AI for that. Let's say you would like to rewrite this headline. Just click on this element and then click the AI icon. And you can ask the AI tool to rewrite this headline. If you like this suggestion more, you can just click this icon, send to app, and it will automatically replace the headline in the page editor section. You can use any prompt that you would use, for example, for ChatGPT, to change the copy or create different copy for your pages. I also like that all the elements that we have on the page come with the settings that we need for them. For example, for our input fields, we already have input type set up, like name and email. For this button, we already have the action that we needed to do, submit the form. And while I will not go into detail on how to edit different elements in the Clickfunnels page editor, you can watch a video tutorial by clicking on the card up here to learn more. Once you're satisfied with your quiz page, you can just go to the next page, thank you page. You can switch between the pages here on the left. Make necessary changes if you do want to change something, and then go to the next page and adjust it to your liking. What I also wanted to show you is an order form. Here we have a checkout element that is needed to process the payments, but what I find really cool that the AI funnel builder also generated an offer stack for us and suggests different bonuses that we can add to our offer. Moreover, it went ahead and also generated FAQ and answers to them. By the way, if you have not used Clickfunnels 2.0 before and you may be thinking that it's a bit overwhelming and you're not tech savvy and you don't know how to do all of that, don't worry. There is one thing that I want to show you. If you go back to the page where we opened our funnel builder, you will also find different tutorials on how you can, first of all, edit your webinar funnel. You can see all the pages are here, like registration page, thank you page, and so on. How to create an email sequence in Clickfunnels 2.0 and send email follow-ups to the people who registered for your webinar, and also how to add countdowns. By the way, when you create your account for this AI funnel builder and start building your webinar funnel with it, you will also get different bonuses. And one of them is an email follow-up sequence. Or I should better say it's the whole automation, because it includes both emails and also different actions and delays between the emails that you can import to your Clickfunnels 2.0 account with one click. So you will not have to write your email follow-ups from scratch. You already will have something to start with, but I strongly recommend you to not just use the emails that you get in this sequence, but to adjust and customize them. This should improve the deliverability of your emails, because you will not be sending the exact same emails that other people who also claim this email follow-up sequence will be sending. And you can also find the tutorials on how you do that, how you connect everything, the countdown, the funnel, the email sequence, and how you can customize your emails in the tutorials here. On top of that, you will also get a perfect webinar training from Russell Brunson and the workbook that you can use to craft your presentation as a bonus for this offer. And if you schedule a call with the Clickfunnels business consultant, you will also get the 10x Secrets course for free. So once you customized your funnel, then you added the email sequence to your Clickfunnels 2.0 account and customized the emails, connected everything, created the countdown, you are actually ready to go. Your webinar funnel and the follow-up sequence are now ready. And that's how easy and fast you can build a webinar funnel using the AI funnel builder from Clickfunnels. And not only that, you will also be able to use the proven high-converting webinar script and the email sequence to follow up with your participants. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications, and I will see you in our future videos. Bye bye!